Hi, if you're looking for a tool which is convert your high MB photos images to KB, you can reduce your image size in KB online for free via our website imagexyz.net. For that, you have to just go to Google and search for imagexyz.net and search it. In the first link you have to click. My internet is little bit slow, and search for reduce image size in KB. Click on it and just upload your image over here. It will not upload to our system. It will be reduce your image size on your device, either mobile or PC. Just upload a image over here, any, and target image size. If you want 10 KB, just put 10 KB over here and reduce and preview. You can see over here within second it will reduce the image size under 10 KB, and you can change over here 30 KB, reduce and preview. You see the image is reduced the size 29.36 KB, and here you can download it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and share with your friends and family.